Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody sent me this logo, and it is outstanding. It is sharp and clear. It's ready to go with the exception of a couple of problems. Don't have to trace it or anything. It's already, I think it was an EPS file. And I'm going to go to Object, Group, and I'm going to ungroup it, and I'm going to immediately get rid of that white background. Now, this white is a CMYK. Now, he's going to engrave this on a fiber laser, so I'm not familiar with fiber lasers, but CMYK on a CO2 laser will engrave that white. And there's so much going on with this logo. If we look at it like this, there is things in front of objects, the whole pistons, the wrench, and it's all being hidden by other objects. It's a really cool drawing, but all we have to do, I think, is replace the CMYK for RGB. And then the one I'm doing the video for, I would still test it on maybe a scrap tumbler or something else before you waste a cup. We're going to go to find and replace, and we're going to go, there is find and replace, find object, or find and replace. So we're going to replace. Well, we're going to go to replace object. So we're going to replace the colors. We're going to find a fill. We're going to go to CMYK, and I'm going to get my eyedropper, and I'm going to see the CMYK is at 0000. I'm going to X out, and I'm going to have it go replace an RGB, and if your RGB color palette doesn't come up, or you don't have this, you can still use the eyedropper and use your RGB white, which is 255, 255, 255. Then you can X out, and we're going to replace them all. So in that short a time, it replaced all the CMYK white with an RGB white. This should engrave. There's really nothing more you have to do. I mean, the detail in this logo is incredible. It almost looks like it's shining, the spark plug, and you can see the little sparks off, a little star pattern. That should engrave very well. Now, it would be nice to take out the color and have a transparent background, but it would take forever to put everything in front of each item. And I'm almost 100% sure I couldn't do it. There are some people that probably go over here and vector this, but it's already a vector. I mean, it's as sharp as it can be. Anyway, I hope that helped him a little bit, and thank you for watching.